Guys, I got some exciting news for you. I finally launched my Wash Life Mastermind course. Now, that course is already available. You will find the link to that in the description of this video. This course is not something we send in a mail. We simply, once you get the course, we email you a link, and then you're going to watch the course right there at home. Over 20 hours of exclusive content. Everything from pricing, marketing, sales, finance management. We got it all. And the reason why I put this together is, you guys well know, I coach a lot of guys in the industry. And well, you know, what I've always noticed is you guys out there are always making the same mistakes, right? We're talking about pricing, like underpricing your jobs, wasting money on bad marketing, or you guys are simply focused on putting too much energy on the wrong things. So we talk all about this in this course. The course has 10 modules, guys. Each module is right around 2 hours of content that you can watch, or you can also listen to. And then it also has like detailed notes, like a breakdown of each one of the modules and detailed notes, and step-by-step checklist, like action lists for you guys. This is going to be a huge impact for you and your business, guys. Like I said, the GMB Mastermind course alone, is a 2-hour tutorial. And that one module, guys, is worth the price of admission, the price of the course, because you become ranking there, high ranking there in your area, and you start to dominate your local GMB there and pressure washing wherever you are. That alone is going to get you 1 to 3 jobs every day if you do it properly. So, and again, it's a 2-hour step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. But, the course is full of great content for you guys. Highly recommend you get this course. You're not going to find this type of content anywhere else. It's not the type of content that, I would be able to put on my YouTube channel, because, like I said, I mean, some of these videos, we're going like a screenshot. Like, you can see exactly what I'm doing on my computer. It's a very in-depth, different type of tutorial, but very in-depth for you guys. And yeah, had a lot of fun making this one, and put a lot of work into it for you guys as well. I've already checked the course out, and man, it is, guys, I'm telling you this right now. The course, by the way, I'm selling the course for $297. It's actually a $200 discount, because the normal price is right around $500. But I'm going to keep that price for the next few months, maybe the next 6 months. So I highly recommend you guys jump on that right now, because again, you're basically getting it for half price. And $297, guys, that's the cost of one house wash. Again, on there you got things like GMB, sales, marketing, pricing, different systems that you're going to learn. And all of these things are going to help you grow your business and become more successful. And the final thing I'm going to say about that is this, guys. This is literally the blueprint that I use to be able to build Mr. Bubbles into a successful pressure washing business. So again, highly recommend you guys pick that up. And the link is going to be in the description of this video. It's a landing page. You just go through it. And then as soon as you get that, guys, you're watching and listening to amazing exclusive content found nowhere else but here, the Mr. Bubbles channel. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this one, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.